Agnew. Agnew ran a kickback for 102 yards last week. He's a great returner. Breaking through all tackles, running away from these big guys, Gus.
Urban Meyer said we need to keep smashing that rock. We